Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the Halifax card on your phone. So if you want to use the Halifax card on your phone, instead of using it basically, to get things done and you just want to make everyday payments with your phone using the Halifax card installed in your phone, here's exactly what you can do. All right, so here we go. So signing, okay, so make sure that you're signed into Halifax and ensure that you're signing to Halifax in your mobile phone, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. So Halifax partners with Google Pay, which allows you to make everyday payments and transactions using your phone without having to use the physical card. It's safe, it's simple, it's secure, and then you have benefits such as cashback extras on debit card and credit card purchases. That seems cool. So here's the process that you can actually go through to get that working for you. Signing to the application, that's the mobile application, which I have said earlier. All right, so sign in to the mobile application, and then right there in the home screen at the bottom, you're going to find manage card at the bottom right corner of your home screen. So here you go, this is how it is. So manage card, so select manage card, and once you select manage card on the bottom right, then the next thing you're going to see is Google Pay. There are a lot of options you're going to find, but one of the options that you see is Google Pay. So select Google Pay. As you can see, it's highlighted here. So once you select Google Pay, then you're going to see debit cards that you have. If you have multiple debit cards with different accounts, you're going to see all of them displayed. All right, so select the debit card that you want to add, the exact one, all right, that you want to make payments with or transactions with. So find the debit card that you want to add, and then once you click on that, click on add to Google Pay. So click on the debit card, and then you're going to see an option, more options. So from the options, select add to Google Pay. Once you click on add to Google Pay, confirm your debit card details and accept the terms and conditions. All right, so once you're done, you'll be good to go, and then you've been able to add your card to Google Pay. Now, once you've added your card to Google Pay, you'll be able to make payments with it without having to use your physical card. It's just simple. Just make payments, use Google Pay, and that's it, because you have now integrated Google Pay into your Halifax account. That just makes payments safe, simple, and secure. So you can also use that using the Google Wallet, all right? Google Wallet application itself. So you can download and open the Google Wallet application, and then select add to Google Wallets right there from the application itself. Then select the card you want to add, then follow the on-screen instructions, verify your card when asked, and then you've been able to add your card to Google Pay. So that's it. So this is pretty much how you work it. So it's advisable that you use the mobile banking that's for Halifax, and then follow through with all of these processes. Integrate Google Pay into your Halifax, and then you're going to find everyday payments, everyday transactions, everyday transfers very easy and secure. So this is the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.